Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a quick look at the stunning 2022 Audi RS3 Carbon Edition. Let's dive right in and check out its exterior design. Sneak peek of the interior. I can see the RS flat bottom steering wheel, premium leather, and Alcantara upholstery. I really like the sporty aesthetics of this car. Let's take a look at the rear end. The design really comes together back here with sharp LED tail lights, a distinctive rear diffuser that improves airflow and reduces drag. With those quad exhaust pipes, you know this car means business. The exhausts are nicely integrated into the rear bumper, adding to the overall sense of drama and performance. It's a great way to finish off the car's design and leave a lasting impression. As you can see, the RS3 Carbon Edition looks aggressive and sporty, with its unique exterior trim and carbon fiber axles. The 19-inch wheels add to its slick design, which gives it an edge over its competitors. The front bumper features large air intakes and a distinctive splitter, which gives the car a menacing look. The side skirts and rear diffuser are also designed to improve airflow and reduce drag. And check out these sleek LED headlights, they're a great touch. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.